Hi, this is Ben from Accurate. Got another knot for you. We had originally done an arbor knot with monofilament, so you guys could see how an arbor knot works with monofilament. So now we're going to show you how to tie braid onto a spool. We've got our Fury sitting here. Spool has tape on it. The tape actually helps the line bite in. A lot of guys don't believe in using tape. If you do, you don't. However, this is what we do. So what we do is we thread this through our braid. We're going to thread it through once. We're going to thread it through twice. Okay, then we're going to pull up on it here, right? You can see it there. Now what I'm going to tie is a uni knot. So I'm going to tie 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? I'm going to pull up on the uni knot, cinch up on the knot a little bit, get the knot all ready to go. A lot of times what I do is I trim up here. So I'll trim the knot a little bit up here, okay, with my Accurate pliers. Now watch the uni on the spool. I try to do with the uni on the spool is to get 2 parts of the knot to hold. The most important thing is see how the line's spaced out, so you got 2 places where it's holding on the tape. Pull down tight, then take your fingernails and run it down the knot. And then pull tight again, and that braid ain't moving. That ain't going anywhere. See it on there? So this is just another way for putting braid to your reel. Use some tape. If you don't want to use tape, don't use tape. This is what we do. Everybody does things different. You can use a uni knot. You could probably use a cinch knot. You can use whatever you want. The double unis for us works best. So we hope you're catching fish out there, and hope you're safe and sane, because it's a crazy world we live in.